Today we are going to see how to create a Outlook account. So first of all, we have to go to your browser. In the search bar, type outlook.com. Here, this type of interface will come. Here click Create Free Account. Here enter your email, then click on Next. Here give a password. After that click on Next. Here give your first name. I am giving first name to Jack and surname. Then click on Next. Here you have to select your country and also select your birthday. Then click on Next. Here you have to confirm that you are not robot. Click on Next. Then solve it. After that you have to click on parent or guardian consent is required for this account or not. Then click on Continue. After that your new account has been created. So here is your account. So that's how to create a Outlook account. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.